Uh, Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to elevate your skincare routine, this review is for you. Today, we're diving into the W7 Self-Care Skincare Set, an all-in-one kit designed to give you glowing, healthy skin with a simple 5-step daily routine. Whether you're a skincare newbie or just looking for a refresh, this set promises to have you covered from cleansing to lip care. So let's break it all down and see how well it performs. The W7 Self-Care Skincare Set includes 5 full-size products, each packed with skin-loving ingredients. The set features the Blueberry Burst Cleansing Gel, Green Tea Toner, Essential Essence Serum, Watermelon Wave Moisturizer, and Sweet Dreams Overnight Lip Mask. This routine is perfect for anyone who wants a quick yet thorough skincare regimen to leave their skin looking radiant and healthy. Using the products is as simple as it gets. You start with the Blueberry Burst Cleansing Gel, which removes impurities and hydrates your skin. Then the Green Tea Toner, loaded with green tea and cactus extract, restores your skin's moisture balance. Next comes the Essential Essence Serum, a powerhouse packed with collagen and hyaluronic acid to give you anti-aging benefits. Follow that up with the Watermelon Wave Moisturizer, which provides antioxidant protection thanks to vitamin E. Finally, finish your routine with the Sweet Dreams Overnight Lip Mask to keep your lips soft and nourished overnight. Now let's talk about the performance. From the get-go, each product delivers on its promises. The cleansing gel is refreshing and leaves your skin feeling clean without that tight, dry feeling. The toner is equally soothing, and the serum, packed with collagen and hyaluronic acid, gives your skin that much-needed glow. The moisturizer is rich but doesn't feel heavy, and the lip mask is a lovely treat, especially during colder months when lips can get dry. One of the key strengths of this set is its ability to cater to all skin types. Whether you have sensitive skin or you're dealing with dryness, each product is designed to be gentle yet effective. The nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and green tea work together harmoniously, ensuring that your skin gets what it needs without irritation. But no product is without its flaws. The only downside I found is that some people may prefer products with more natural or organic ingredients, as the set leans on more affordable formulations. However, for the price, the quality and performance are impressive. In comparison to similar skincare sets, the W7 Self-Care Kit stands out with its comprehensive 5-step approach, making it an excellent option for those new to skincare or anyone looking for simplicity. Other sets might offer fewer steps or smaller sizes, but this kit gives you a full routine in one neat package. When it comes to value for money, this set delivers. Considering you get 5 full-sized products, each working together to cover all aspects of a skincare routine, this is a great deal for anyone looking to build or refresh their skincare collection. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the products are easy to dispense. Then there's nothing flimsy about it. Everything feels like it was made with care. Though I'd love to see a more eco-friendly design in future releases. This set is incredibly user-friendly. The instructions on how to use each product are clear, and the products themselves are easy to apply. Plus, they layer well together without feeling greasy or too heavy, which is a huge bonus if you're looking to save time while achieving great results. Now let's talk customer support. I reached out to W7 for a couple of questions regarding the ingredients, and their response time was quick, and the team was very helpful in providing detailed answers. Real-world testing also showed that this routine works beautifully for all-day hydration. My skin stayed moisturized, smooth, and glowing even after a long day, and the lip mask did wonders to combat winter dryness. Plus, it's gentle enough for daily use, no irritation, no redness. So, would I recommend the W7 Self-Care Skincare Set? Absolutely. It's a great option for anyone looking to build a daily skincare routine without breaking the bank. It's perfect for skincare beginners and those who just want something simple yet effective. As for alternatives, there are plenty of great sets on the market, but for the price and convenience, this one is tough to beat. Some high-end options might have more specialized ingredients, but you're going to pay a premium for that. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified whenever we post new skincare tips, reviews, and more on Beautyistic. In conclusion, The W7 Self-Care Skincare Set is a solid choice for anyone who wants a fuss-free, all-in-one skincare solution. With nourishing ingredients and a gentle, effective routine, it delivers what it promises without any gimmicks. If you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, this set is a fantastic place to start. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this set, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, the link to grab this awesome set is right there for you. Until next time, keep glowing, Beautyistic style.